Mbetagwo Makena Murungi Krakus. Koguo ni ndina marĩtwa jana Jadrin Makena Murungi Krakus.
Krakus?
Yes.
Krakus ni mimi.
Oh. Wow.
Hey, bibi yangu.
Say in Kimeru, mwagurogwa.
Magoragwa.
Karibu sana Makena, twire mantu ya mukuru oku na yo nthewa ucokera Kimeru na kenda mutegeri mukethro I comfortable.
Yes, riu mukuru okwa na njiririe na njiririe sente twana me guntugita kwa Kaburugi ni twana jatu tumenyagira furaha. That is way back nyuma nau mwaka jori kuichia
2007.
Yeah, 2007. Na that push ne mutetheretie aumba kurugura sente ingi niwe founder wa furaha niwe mwambiriria wa furaha center koguo ugatona je uganiti twambiritie niwe mwambiriria na ati twamura tugakugwata mbaru twamwata mbaru buru
na mwaka thaiwe na twana
85 aja sente makutano opposite Simba Wells. Alafu tu na Mekindo ni twambiririe clinic igwitwa moving therapy. Atwitite tukuleterete mazoezi eriku au uri twakinyira Mekindori nijeri turungamiritie wau nontu ni tukwenda kinya oro tutegete inya watutethia mbuga tukinya Kangeta tukinya Maua na aria ntu turenda kuletera muciari mazoezi akue ni tuje kwina na baba ingi muno bamo banenya kuma kilo 15 20 na muciari akamwaira na mwongo amurete center kana mwike clinic na aria leo ugo jaringa misa muciari uri kunate aretete mwana Mekindori no ndu twena nkulukiana 15 kuma kunate na distance kinya ni gutuma aciari baba ingi muno bare mwana gukinya actually aciari bage tumi tubeta exceptional bena weru lakini utethio bwa gukinya bukauma na
ndenda mutegeri umbo kwithirwa akimenya account kamwe ana babu tikwenda kuwa ni ana bataipu ingi ura marekerikio twira na ni ura tu ukua omuntu mucioke na mwana we special in a way na inya bangi butikwenda kuwa bena butukwenda baita buthuku ndenda ndo wira mutiari na atia abatiri kwithirwa akimenyera mwana uyu
ala furaha center umenye tutigita mazoezi yake kwena gintu gitagwa kumenyera kinya muciari twina trainings jia ciari ira muciari aomba kugitanja ko ukeja center tuge ukwate clinic mbuga maitajana kana maitaja tano ukethirwa thomete lesson 5 tia ugwe uranja omba ukamenyera mwana oku kethirwa ni ku facilitate those manipulations gukunjura njara gukunjura maguru ku massage mugongo tumantu jatu pole pole mwanka tuge kwa attend session 5 leo inyoga tera session imwe tugakuria ni mbiuragitire session ineu ntukwigwo teja ni mbiuragitire nontu ni tukurutanite mantu jama ingi nikyo gitumio kwa na muciari uri aranja tukimwita exceptional nontu nuje muciari na mono ni aciari bae kuru by the way bakureta ana ba na ekuru ba wibatharimi nontu gutimwe kuru reta mwana are mwani kumenya nata twamwita na mantu ja kumenye kukarithia mwana nthi nuje mazoezi ja te kuga ni mazoezi ja ntu kwemwe kwina into tofauti bila mwana abatie kugitirwa kulingana na case
leo sana ngona mantu amathongera gwitambere ndene ya Furaha Center na center ngingi yopite kwithirwa ikiambire Mekindori bane ana bomba kwithirwa bakiyukua teana bakayingilwa nyumba bakaithwa batekona nwe people don't like showing this kind of kids. They lock them in their rooms. So how did you start, or what made you to begin this journey?
You know, before you start the project, you have to identify the need. And actually what we did before we even started, before even we registered, we were trying to go around to identify at least one parent with cerebral palsy child. And through that parent, we got another parent, and another parent, and another parent. And as you said, unfortunately, most of the parents, until now, they have not yet accepted their own kids. That's why they are hidden. That's why you cannot see them in the churches. That's why you cannot see them in the supermarkets, because they feel that they take it as a cast, like something what is happening to them, maybe even witchcraft or something like this. Especially in the African setup, people are talking so much about witchcrafts.
Okay, you hold it there. Interpret for somebody.
Okay.
Nontu kuwata ngaraka Marek ndamuri ni onto mbere kwithirwa akiambiria onto boni bia tumira ambiria na ritwira we ambiririe nontu bombere no mwanka wone kethro kwina ubatu na arukinya mutindo kangangi na mbere kuthiurunga kidogo akiolia cia kethro kwiwo kuoneka no buona kwiwe na kwibona kwibo kendomba kwambiri narua acia antu bayuka cionto bubure kirumi kwa bantu babe na muiro ona arumi ona aroi ona akumbuki na iwe kira kwa mauka tumbuka tukitambere. Yes, Marek.
And right now, that's why we started the Moving Therapy Project, to go to rural areas of Meru County, because we are situated in Meru County, and of course in the future our plans are to grow even beyond that. But we identify a few kids in Mekinduri, and of course they are in all areas, because we are getting calls from some friends, from family members, that there is a need of a center like this in Timau. There is a center needed like this in Kanyakine. All these areas of Maua, Mitungu, yeah, all these areas. So Kianjai. So so the need is there, and actually we are really very ready to assist as many parents as possible. But I would like to appeal to the parents: come out of your home, come out and show this kid to your family, because even in some families, maybe the closer relatives, they are not even aware that the kid like this is hidden somewhere.
Na bakimbo kutra bakiambiria kwetaita nturene ndigenda bambiria clinic ya wetaita walk-in clinic nino nto mobatu yengi mnona unturene na goromba antu aciari baciumirie rega gwitha mwana turia mwana kendende omba gwithirwa aitetheka tiwetera Marek Furaha Center Makena be yabanjire kuria kwe kana ke nturene ari uithura kana kaku so tukiyeke make
la ingono ontubo bwanya moira pa kumeria ana twina walk na walk ile tariki 4 August mweri twetete na walk yewe iretwa it's dubbed Walk All Will With Me. Tome twere tarietwa Walk All Will With Me. Non twara twa autism na cerebral palsy.
Mwanimbi
twa autism baba ingine betara maguru. They can do a lot of things. Ni bagita to manto twao na ni beta maguru. Lakini baba nge ba cerebral palsy baba ingine barato na bala center ni bedridden. Kana kuga bamone bedridden bange bate ni bakwaria na bakagita majangi, lakini bate komba gwita tuna kinya cases just spina bifida hydrocephalus ko ala tuna cases jionde
no tuere kidogo yondo etayo yele no onkologa nyoni.
Yeah, leo cerebral palsy ni damage your brain. Okay? Na that is what we are dealing with pare Furaha Center. Bao nipo anabalato tegaira na autism. Lakini autism nayo ni gotewa wije nimbi kiambereria kia mwana kwithirwa na autism kana nombi. Lakini mostly you find batena social characteristics like their development socially is very low. Like they present with some antisocial behaviors. Mtoto akie like withdraw, some of them will scream so hard, some of them will watatulia, they are hyper.
Mwana agaridhikirite
kwena baba kwithikira kwena baba bakethwa very hyper. Mwana akejaja tu agatonga kila kitu kamera
mwana naambirie gwithwe na OMC laingo na guthunguthangana na weteta nara doing this and that
tomanto jato no kwalawa leo nikitu mitweteta walk all will with me will tunatumia wheelchairs. You must come to see that walk. No mwankawe jawone unatoka amegeta tunaenda kumegeta in a way
promise
tunaenda kumegeta in a way kinyamo ciari ura withite mwana
amuithure
nikio gitumi ukuwa tukimita awareness turenda kumenyithia kila mtu
no mbere tukinya kire awareness no twinkwenda twitake mwaka kire details cia awareness ndenda kumenya ndene ya Furaha Center kethirwa muciari akareta mwana imbese yana batiri kurea
gote marei marei ni zero ngugia kukamata mwana oku murete ara Furaha Center nikio gitumi nkwira gojo is our Hebo founder.
Wow. In Kimeru we call you Nchamba. Say Nchamba.
Chamba.
Yeah. Synonym to Laingo.
Chamba.
Chamba. No masana. Wina Nchamba Marek na Nkadha. Nyoto wita Nkadha. You know, why I'm happy, excited, is because you are doing something very noble. You see, these are the kids who are always ignored. You see? Na sure. Nena batomba gwithiro bakiendeka ata kidogo. Mutiari ethwe na mwana yonto amuitha amweka na amuingila. I think so this kid doesn't get any form of love from parents, and now you know that is what Jesus said. So yes. You're doing a noble job. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Personally, MC Lengo, I call you Nchamba.
Thank you, Chamba.
So Nkadha is now the woman part of it.
Okay.
So this is Nkadha Makena. So Nkadha Makena.
Not Nkadha's name, but Nkadha Kimeru.
Nkadha Mwari.
Okay.
Kanemuka. Gwira wa Kimeru Marek. Warenga kwa Kimeru no anchogeresi uri comment.
Next year.
So Makena arandene ya Furaha Center. Kukwe muciari we muci na ara of course itukua ibeke Furaha Center. Kwe batumbo kinya Furaha Center. Kure antu be kuraya sana. Nata muciari abate kana muntu abate rio teleria mwana wino batu yabo.
Jaga tuge
basics.
Basics, most of the basics that ira muciari abate kugitare anja kana kinya tuge ugore janko mwana ojo. No we jaja Furaha Center. Ugwe has an individual. Alafu togo train. Urea ukagitara mwana umu. The basics zenye unafa intobiria bia muhimu. Kulingana na condition ye mwana. No gento kimwa kira tujeta ku realize mwana aleta kama muanja. Urea mamerwa na muongo. Tujeta muongo.
Ni muongo.
Ola mamerwa na muongo. O ne waka agakara shape wewe. Ijoketie shape ye gitanda. Maronda. Nukwana ukethera mwana mugongo joka antu amugongo jo mtu jota kwa joka riote jogetete C kana ukethera jonge jogetire D. Leo ne tutethagiria ciari kinya ku position mwana. Uria kinya na tutigwiraga ita supermarket yogore into jabira tuna biara Furaha Center. Ari tugagwitana na into bira we na bio nja gwaku. Kethone mazoezi. Magutumira we have like balls. Twetha kwa tuna mibira area ya kugita mazoezi. Kana something cylindrical ki around gikario mutungi. Tugakwira kira mutungi jwa kuroje tumira gukitira mwana mazoezi. Mubira jore antwa utumira mubira. Tugakuwa maoni ja ne mbie ngiomba gutumira ja antu utumira mubira jore kujojo no ntutiomba kugura.
Wow.
No kwera? Alafu kedrone kumamya mwana batu tu na twetaka wedges diago feel na rungu kenda mwana tweka mugongo jwa comfortable. Wethro tumba gutumira biu tugakora ne biuga kinyethro ne nkunia. Kinyethro ne pilo, kinyethro ne nguo ira bwena jona unja tugatumania twikiamo kenda umba gu support mwana. Ne utugita.
Okay, Marek. What programs take place at Furaha Center?
Well, we have about 20 kids who are coming daily because this center, as I mentioned before, is not the center with the boarding facilities. And the reason for that is that we would not like to separate or take full responsibility from the parents and then transfer them to us as Furaha Center. So what we do, we offer the daycare center, daycare activities. The parents can bring the kid from morning, from 8:30, and we offer the feeding program and also occupational therapy, speech therapy, and then they have lunch. And after lunch, around 3:34, the parent can come and take the child back home. Wow. And this is our goal, because we would not like to take full responsibility and unfortunately, many centers, not only in Kenya but in all over the world, they start accepting the kids, but they end up with the adults because these kids are abundant over there, and they grow from 5 years or 3 years up to 25, 30, and they are still called kids, exceptional kids. So we, even in our future plans, because we have, of course, we have dreams. We would like to move from Makutano and to get maybe a community land around Meru, because I know that Meru County is very rich.
Very rich.
And able.
Yeah.
And I think it will be wonderful if the government of Meru could offer us a small portion of land where we could construct a very modern center and introduce there very modern techniques, because there are so many techniques which we could imply.
You are limited because of the space.
Yes,
Na,
yes.
no taure o mareke wa no ntuke la context yo baithara wakireria ntuko yonthe na ne ontu butethera bukitikiria mwana ya puria no ebo take full responsibility manko kinyela umuthio mbakithirwa kinya makena.
Gitumi tutetekairia na betinda ara uria ni kwithirwa turenda mwana like bethirwa bali 24 hours nikienda muciari ethirwe na party ewe kumenyera mwana na utu twina party etwe kumenyera mwana na ni ngwitikia gitumi twagitire nikienda twithwa twina community involvement nonto muciari ujo rira kinya kureta mwana ala center mtu ngina akumuria ala na atia
na weta
no kwalewa na ala ula
na kinya on that na kinya mwana wendo bwawe kinya gwithira bwe kwathorono tikabo achuna mwana muciari muciari we na bwake akugwithira mwana na we na bwako kugwithira mwana we therapist.
Yeah, nonto jaoni I'm trained as a counseling psychologist. I'm a counseling psychologist. Kwa aciari baba inge barabejaga ula center, they have their own perceptions. Twejete aja ujo gutiga mwana ojo tuchietere komota na nende yago twera kinya te kanyaki ni kila mahali kinya ndigorotia ona au anto betaga wona anto akio wa kulokia mwana mutwe mwire joga tonya gwogeta gwogeta jamuciari ugeta mwana ojo agatigwala akurire are mtu munene ni no kamwikia baadaye nikyo gitumi ukugwa kiuga in our future plans twina mubango jwa kuleta modern mazoezi modern jara tugutumira kinya ruje like hydrotherapy pet therapy pet ni gutumira nyomo chaka tuge tupuko jeta kwa mpuko teu mpoko rabbit
kaitoyo
watoto jeta kego jito jeta mpoko kwena kinya donkey lakini trend donkey tiitio kama ta ruje sio tunza punda likutunze trend kaleka nini kaka tirenwa uraka kaumba kutetheria mwana wena autism no kwana alafu kinya kwena ya dog lakini leo wao watu introduce dog
ingumu
kaigwa na tatu bale tarana kuro kwena ya kinya dog leo we are still researching na nero kuwa kiuga kethro thirikari no itutetheria na ka community land mahali inya individual kinya gwala ingo kethro wena kajia ku 50 ugatwa ekemwe.
By the way, I wanted to ask that what kind of land, the vicinity, the size, something like that, kuna mtu ataguzwa mahali na roho mtakatifu bana swe sana. Yeah, na atafanya
hallelujah
first and foremost say kaitoyo
thank you. Yeah, we are looking at maybe at least 2 acres of land or less, but in this land we are planning to construct the center, but also to introduce the agriculture, so that the children, also those who are able, they can also learn how to deal with land, how to do the agriculture, maybe in the small skills, of course, and maybe do some greenhouses when we can produce the tomatoes and other vegetables and sell them to the supermarkets. This is the project which I started in Muranga and is doing very well.
Wow.
We were even supplying the late Nakumat.
Wow.
Yes.
The late Nakumat. You're funny. Oya ndo gele yento tu na nda ya kwari uya ngara gatungirira muno. Through transfer no choki uwa. Uwa chogeri ringi akimero.
Leo kiri that dream center elekana na center kana tunakwara kanini makutano. Leo dream center turenda ku create kinya jobs kiritwana tu. Jo uga mantuja agriculture na nini the greenhouses. Wala to kinya the production will be done by children with the exceptional children, you know.
Yeah.
Leo ana baba tute karakola yale wa gukinya miaka ya 15 tukamukiana okwarwa nembigito mire tute gwetekeria mwana ojo kala 24 hours in furaha. That is the reason. Mwana ojo agekura turendethwe na skills.
Ena skills.
Yes. Jagatuga nito kwenda kugeta minande embao kanambi kwena somebody ole akamba kugeta minande eriko minande uara furaha. Na ni mwana omwe wetu wa kuma ori furaha center.
Ari thithiate